say, stay as free as high winds on the seas. No destiny bringing lonely tears. Smile today and leave the past behind. Live it up day by day, and surely you may find that both sorrow and tomorrow are in toward a thought or two. Look at me and teach me to live again. Little child who relates me, it's an answer your eyes give. Now you see, I'm on the road again. I'm bringing out what child within me. Smiling today and leave the past behind. Live it up day by day, and surely you may find that both sorrow and tomorrow are in toward a thought or two. Look at me and teach me live again. Live again. This moment content you, or let us reach for the stars. We'll make it on the shore. Peace, love, peace, gladness. We can start it all anew. Look at me, look at me, and the sun goes shining through.
Listen to me. Why do I sound so miserable? Is it 'cause I'm so vulnerable? Living denial.